Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab Active3 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So hold for a while home screen with your finger and then tap to the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could add, which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the maps or weather widgets. Here we got 4 different types of the weather widget, and to add it to your home screen you should just hold the widget and drag it to the home screen. If you want to move widget here on the screen or between the screens, hold and drag it. To resize it, also you should hold it for a while and just to make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen you should just hold the widget and tap here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.